your science worksheet. Okay, please take out your science worksheet, page number 5. Okay, we know you done this page or not, the hand, ear, mouth. Okay, so we do this page first. Okay, before this all we done ready, right? Page 1, page 2, page 3, all we done. Now we going to this page. Okay, I want all of you take out your pencil, eraser first. Okay, take out. Okay, we see the question first. Okay, kita tengok soalan tersebut. Okay, we see the question. Match the picture to the correct part of the body. Okay, still remember or not body? Body have what? Body have hand, ear, eyes, nose, some more leg, arm, mouth. Okay, this one is to the body. Okay, now I don't want you see this picture. Okay, this one you all close first. Okay, 不要看这个。Okay, 不要看这个啊。I want all of you see these three picture. This one you don't want see first. Class, listen I don't want all of you see this picture. Okay, all of you see this picture. This one, this one, and this one. 这个不要看。Okay, this one you don't see first. This one you close first. Okay, you see these three picture first. Okay, tengok tiga gambar ini dulu. Okay, you see these three picture. Okay, first, budak ini tengah buat apa? What is the boy doing? He eat or lick? It lick the ice cream. Okay, kita lick the ice cream. So what he use? He use the mouth to lick. Then he use the tongue. He use the tongue to lick the ice cream. We can use our nose to lick the ice cream? Cannot. Kita tak akan guna nose untuk makan. Okay, kita boleh guna nose untuk rasa, boleh smell, good smell or bad smell. Kalau mouth, kita rasa, kita minum, kita kalau minum air panas, kita boleh rasa, oh ini air panas. Kalau kita minum air sejuk, kita boleh rasa, oh ini air sejuk. Kalau kita makan biskut, cakes, kita boleh rasa pelbagai-bagai rasa. So, it lick the ice cream. Dia lick the ice cream. Okay, now you see the second picture. Number 2 picture. Okay, what is doing this boy? It touch. Okay, it touch what? Yes, it touch the cat. So we can feel. Okay, for example, we want to touch something. Okay, you want to touch your dress. You can feel. Is this smooth or harder one? Okay, for example, if you want to touch your hair, you can touch your hair. You can feel. It is smooth or rough or guilty, what one? Okay, if you want to touch your face, you can touch. Touch means you touch something. Okay, for example, I touch my water bottle. When I touch my water bottle, I feel the water bottle inside the water is hot. I can feel. I boleh rasa. When you touch something soft, you know that one is soft. Okay, dia tengok, dia touch dia punya kucing. Okay, cat. Okay, it touch the cat. Cat is smooth or not? Yes, the cat is smooth. When you touch the cat body or cat kucing punya badan tu, you touch, ia akan lembut, soft and smooth. Okay, when you touch, it is smooth and soft. So this is touch. Okay, touch. So touch itu kita boleh guna kaki ke? Boleh touch. We can use our leg to touch? Cannot. Okay, we cannot use our leg to touch. We use which one to touch? Yes, we use our hand to touch. If you want to touch something, you use your hand. You know, use your eyes. You know, use your mouth. You know, use your nose. You know, use your ear. Okay, we use our hand to feel, to touch. We see something. Kita boleh rasa. Oh, this one is water bottle. Okay. Now I touch the book. Oh, this one is book. Okay. Now I touch the paper. Oh, this one is paper. So I feel what is that. What object, what animal, what things. Okay. This one I don't want all to see these three picture first Okay. Number 3. Okay, you see number 3. What is the girl doing? Apa yang perempuan itu tengah buat? Yes, she listened to the song. So she put the earphone. She listened to the song. We listen the song by eyes, nose, or mouth, or ear. Which part we listen the song? Which part? Yeah, okay, kita guna telinga untuk dengar bunyi. Okay, ada orang bercakap, kita dengar. When someone talking, if any songs, music, we listen. Oh, this song. This is Chinese song. Okay, I know. This one is English song. Okay, you boleh identify. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can listen. Okay, listen class. Okay, next, after these three picture, okay, now I want to you see these three picture. Okay, now you close these three. Now you see these three picture. Okay, semua tengok yang tiga-tiga benda. Okay, this one is what? Hand, very good. Okay, number 2 is what? This. Yeah, very good. Okay, number 3 is what? Number 3. Hey, number 3 is what, class? Mouth. Okay. Okay, with your hand. What you can do with your hand? You can touch, you can feel. Okay, you boleh rasa. I nak touch benda ni, I boleh rasa. Oh, ini water bottle. Ini water bottle dia macam keras. Okay, memang macam tu. Contoh, I rasa, I punya, okay, contoh I rasa scissor. Scissor memang tajam. Kita tak boleh main dengan itu. So, kita boleh tahu, oh, ini benda tajam. So, when I touch the book, okay, for example, I touch the book. It's soft. When I touch the book, I can feel, this one is soft. Okay, so we use our hand to buat apa yang kita boleh buat dengan hand. Kita boleh touch. No clapping we touch. Okay, this one is we feel. Okay, kita rasa, kita boleh touch. Okay, next, ear. Okay, what you can do with your ear, class? Yes, listen to the song. Okay, kita guna kita punya telinga, kita dengar lagu, songs, bunyi-bunyi, orang bercakap. Teacher talking. Oh, teacher talking. Okay, I can listen. Oh, is this teacher Renu talking? Yes, is teacher Renu talking, so I listen. So, your ear must only listen. Okay, this one mouth. Okay, what you do with your mouth? What you do with your mouth, class? You eat. Okay, you eat. You lick. Okay, you lick ice cream. Okay, you talk. Okay, this one you must know. You must understand. Okay. So now I want all of you take out your scissor. Okay, please take out your scissor. Take out your ruler. Take out your ruler. Okay, now you take your pencil. Okay, first we see the first picture. The boy is, what is the boy doing? Licking the ice cream. He licking. So which one is correct? Hand, ear, or mouth? Mouth. Yes, very good, Sanjeevan. Okay, underline. Sanjeevan, very good. Teacher asks you, you must answer. I don't all keep quiet only. Okay. Next question. Okay, what is the boy doing? Okay, the boy is, what? The boy do what? Touch the cat. So we use which one to touch? Yes, hand. Very good. So very good mention. We use our hand to touch. Okay, so underline. Okay, you should underline like this. Okay, next, number 3. What is the girl doing? Listening to song. Which part we listen to the song? Okay, very good. So you underline the word ears. Okay, you match to the correct picture. Very good. Very good, Anshan. Okay, next. Okay. Wait first. Okay, next. We done page 5. Okay, this one, if you want to taste, we use our mouth to taste. If you want to touch, we use our hand to touch. We feel, we touch. If you want to listen the song, we use our ear. Ear, mouth is for eat. You taste, you eat something. Okay, hand we touch. Okay, now we done this page. Now teacher want to go to the next page. Okay, turn to page number 6. Okay. Okay, turn to this page. Who finish this page? Matthew, this one, you see. This boy is, this one. This boy is touched. Okay, now you turn to page number 6. Don't color first. Here, this one is we call pyramid food. Okay, pyramid food got this one. This is we call pyramid food. Pyramid food got 5 categories. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. First one is we say the candy, ice cream, okay, snacks, cupcake, everything is the fat one, okay. When you eat the ice cream got lot of ada banyak lemak. So when you eat the candy, you cannot eat too much of candy. You must eat a little bit only, okay. If you eat lot of fat, your body will be have problem, okay. So you cannot eat too much of candy. You tak boleh makan gula banyak-banyak, tak boleh makan aiskrim banyak-banyak, kek banyak-banyak, kena ambil sedikit sahaja. Kalau you hari-hari makan ice cream, candy, cake, your body not have enough energy. Your body will have problem. So this food you must have that little bit only. Okay, next, meat, fish, chicken. Okay, kita kena ambil makanan ayam, makanan ikan, semua kita kena makan. We must eat chicken. If you not eat the chicken, your body will not have the enough energy. So you must have protein. Okay, you must have protein in your body. So kita kena makan ayam, kita kena makan telur, ikan. We must eat. Okay. Number 3 is milk and cheese. Okay. We also must drink milk. Who like to drink milk? Okay, milk also very good for our health. So we must drink milk. Okay, who like to eat cheese? We also must eat cheese. Cheese is yellow color one. Okay, later teacher share video about pyramid food. All of you see what is pyramid food. Okay, so milk and cheese. Okay, fruits and vegetable. We also must eat fruits and vegetable. Fruit is banana, grapes, apple, orange, papaya, pineapple, grapes. Okay, vegetable is we eat the broccoli, we eat the tomato, we eat the pumpkin, Okay, we eat the sayur vegetables. Okay, we must eat lot of fruits, lot of vegetable. If you eat lot of fruits and lot of vegetable, your body will be strong. Okay, you makan sayur-sayur, fruit, buah-buahan, nanti badan you akan sehat. So if you eat lot of vegetable, fruits, your body will get more energy. So that's why you must eat lot of fruits, lot of vegetables. Okay, next, bread. Okay, bread, potatoes, rice, meat. Okay, this one all we eat the bun. Okay, who like to eat bread? Everyone must eat the bread. Okay, roti. Siapa suka makan roti? Who like to eat bread? Is this bread good or not, class? Yes, we must eat the bread. Okay, we must eat the bread, rice, we must eat meat, then we must eat the bun. So these are the healthy food. Okay, can understand, class? Can. So you must eat all the pyramid food. Okay, you must take care of your body. Okay, now I want all of you look page number 6. Color the correct words. Okay, you kena color. You all of you take out the color pencil first. Okay, I want all of you color on the picture. Okay, first we see the apple. Just now teacher got show you in pyramid food. Apple in number 1, number 2, number 4. Apple in category 4. Is this healthy food or not? Apple. Apple is healthy food. Is this apple healthy food or not, class? So apple is healthy food. Apple is healthy food. So you have to see the picture, then you have to color. This one is what? Apple. So you want color green also can, red color also can. Okay. So you color the apple. Okay. Okay, you have to color the words. You have to color the words. No need to color the picture. They ask you to color the correct words. So you have to color the words only. No need to color the picture. They no ask you to color on the picture. You see, color the words. Words. Ini adalah perkataan. So you kena color the words. Okay? Okay, all of you color the words. Jangan color gambar. Color perkataan sahaja. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2 class. We see the number 2. Okay, number 2 is what, class? Number 2 is what? Carrot. Very good. Carrot. Okay, carrot. So which one is? Yeah, this one is carrot. So you have to color the words. Which one is the correct answer? Chicken or carrots? Number 2. So you have to color the carrots. Okay, so you have to color the carrot like this. Apple, you have to color the words. Okay, number 3 is what? Corns. Okay, this one we say corn. Okay, corn is healthy food or not? Is this healthy food? Yes, corn is healthy food. So, you color the words. Corn, you got the answer. So, you color the words. Correct answer. Listen, teacher is teaching, you must listen. Please listen, Okay, they ask you to color the words. Kena warna perkataan sahaja. This one is apple, so you color apple. This one is carrot, so you color, which one is carrot? So you color the carrots. This one is corn, so you color the corns. Okay, you don't need to color this picture, don't want color the picture. They ask you to color the words. Perkataan sahaja. Okay, Sanjeevan done very good. Okay, Manglina done very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so you must know what is the pyramid food. Okay, later teacher will share you video about pyramid. Okay, what is pyramid food? Okay, you must know which is healthy food, which is not healthy food. Is the food. Okay, what food? This one is healthy food. So you must know what is the healthy food, which one is not healthy food. Okay, can understand? Page 5 and page 6. Okay, this picture you just this page you just underline only, no need to color. Only you color this page only, page number 6. Okay, very good, Yap Yutong. Okay, now you all can keep your paper. Who finish can keep first. Okay, all of you keep first. Okay, you put inside your plastic, your science one, put inside your plastic together. Okay, later teacher will share you video about pyramid food. Okay, what is teacher send into your group? Please see it. What video is that? So you must know what is the healthy food, which one is not healthy food, which food we want to take little bit, which food we want to take more. Okay, can understand? Okay, thank you class. Okay, thank you class.